Good evening, Dave's Model Car Shop. Dave here. This is a 32 hot rod. I got it in trade from Jamie's Model Cars, or Jamie Denson's Model Cars on YouTube. Check him out, good guy. And here we go. If the tires are a little wanky, I don't know why. It's a Revell thing. All I did was clean it up, change some colors, and let's see if we can get you inside there. Did a little black wash on the steering wheel. Little black wash on the instrument panel. Changed the color from white to tan. I changed the color on the chassis a little bit. As far as I didn't alter or take anything, didn't change anything, and just took it apart and put it back together. And that's about it. So we're in I got a couple more rebuilders I got off of them that I'm gonna do here shortly. And yeah, I mean, I tried to straighten out the front end as much as I could. The chassis warped, so it is what it is. And I don't like those metal axles by Revell. Tires never fit right, and they never go on straight. It's missing a few things. The headlights, I've painted it in the back with some silver, let it dry, and then filled it with Mod Podge and let them dry. Makes it look like it has a headlight, maybe a little bit, kinda, sorta. The chassis, I did this color. It's there you go. And it kinda matched up there a little bit. Give it a little contrast. I did some silver striping on it just to break up all the blue. I'm not a big fan of blue like that. Just don't like a lot of blue on cars. Body, you know, and that would be it, you know. But anyways, it's not you know, it's a rebuilder, and all I did was freshen it up a little bit. That's it. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I thank for everybody for leaving a comment and subscribing and all the good stuff. Stay cool, stay safe, talk to you later.